The National Assembly will fast-track the debate on the Konza Technopolis Bill, which was okayed by the Cabinet last week. The bill seeks to upgrade the legal framework governing Konza Technopolis and the Konza Technopolis Development Authority to an Act of Parliament. The chair of the Communication, Information and Innovation Committee of the National Assembly, John Carey, says the bill will be tabled in Parliament next week.
The Konza Technopolis has operated under legal notice, which was enacted in 2012. Experts have argued that the lack of clear legal mandate has hindered the growth of the industry in the country. An act of parliament will give Konza Technopolis a formal legal status, giving it power to undertake similar smart city projects around the country.
We are privileged to have hosted the Committee of Communication, Information and Innovation, the Committee of Parliament that deals squarely with our project, that is the Konza Technopolis, and we've taken them through the project based on the progress that we've made over the years. We were able to highlight also the challenges, issues to do with project financing.
Is one of the flagship projects envisioned in Vision 2030, and it has also gotten new impetus because it becomes also a flagship project of the Kenya Kwanza Plan. It's a massive investment that has already gone into this project, and we can say that there is a good development on the utility side, common areas, the roads, lighting, water, electricity, fiber cabling, making it a ready site.
The Konza Technopolis bill received a major boost last week when the cabinet sitting in Kisumu deliberated and approved the bill for onward transmission to the National Assembly. The cabinet said the bill will provide a more predictable framework for the advancement of science, technology, and innovation through technological hubs. The chair of the Communications Committee of the National Assembly, John Carey, says the committee also promised to push for the allocation of resources to enable the Konza Technopolis Development Authority to settle its pending bills.